What's going on, guys? So here's the video everybody wants to hear at the end of the month. Um, it's the money video, the money. Everyone wants to know, how much money did you make? Well, this is that video. Before I get into that, we stream live every morning until about noon, and then we stream live again 2 p.m. to about 4:30. We do account giveaways every day on the stream. Also, a link to our free Discord in the description of this video. If you got questions about any of this, come on the stream and ask. Come in the Discord and ask. Yes, I trade futures, stocks, options, whatever it is. I trade crypto. I trade it all. So if you got questions about anything, feel free to ask. So basically, it wasn't the craziest month I've had. It wasn't even that big of a month, to be honest with you. I got a small Robinhood account. This is the end of the month. The account's up, obviously. We did $3,538 there, so that's obviously not bad, especially for the size of the account. So it's $3,500 there. Let me pull this up in my E-Trade account. Now, mind you, I'm only doing my trading accounts. I'm not doing any of my retirement accounts. I'm keeping it just what I, basically intraday trading accounts. We're up 11,994. So I don't know, man. I'm so fucking shot after today. What is this total? Just on 11,949 plus 35, 38. So it's $15,487. All right, now we go into the prop firms. So I gotta actually look. I took out. Actually, let me pause this and let me look because I didn't even look yet. All right, so now that I looked, I've taken out $4,400 in payouts in the month of June. I have another $2,000 already over. Fidias is making me wait until the payout window, even though they're getting rid of the payout window. I think they're getting rid of it July 10th or 11th. So I can only count $4,400. But what I do have, I have another $2,000 already over, waiting to get withdrawn. I'm already on day 2 or 3 of a Top Step account, so only 2 or 3 more days to get a payout there. My funded futures, I have a funded account that is at $51,000 already. I got some Apex accounts, as you can see on the screen. This one's halfway over there. Let's see what else we got. I have a Fidias account. That's another one that's about $1,000 away from a $2,000 payout. I got a lot of accounts that are just about there for a payout. I think June was actually not. I also traveled for a couple days in June. I lost 3 days of trading in June out of, what is there, only like 21 or 22 days of trading. So I lost 3, which is about 10%. It wasn't, I didn't lose a lot of accounts, but I really didn't do a ton of money in the prop firm world. I mean, I locked in, I guess, $6,400 of payouts. It really wasn't the best month. I want to say I slumped early on, and then I just stacked a lot of gains at the end. That's pretty much what happened. So, net, I'm not going to count the 2,000 that I already locked in because I don't have the money. So we'll just say $6,400 to my number of 15. So what is that? Plus 6,400 equals $21,887. And I want to say my expenses, prop firm payouts, I would say, I know I didn't add them up, but I want to say I probably had $3,000 of prop firm expenses. You know, I'm not going to sit here and say it was something small. Maybe it was 3,000. So I'm net positive with what I received. And then also I have the other 2,000 coming in also. So it was definitely positive. It just wasn't that great of a month where I feel like I didn't really push the envelope. I wasn't going for massive days, and I started testing out some new stuff. And it is what it is. You know, not every month could be the bangers. Not every month could be the $15,000, $20,000 payout months. Sometimes you got to do, $6,400, and you just kind of keep it rolling, you know. That's pretty much what I did. Kept it rolling. And it was what it was. And this month started off, well, tomorrow's day, but we finished off really strong. And we'll just keep it going. So that's where I'm at. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And that's pretty much it, right? See you guys on the live stream.